Despite producing a personal best, Jamaica's Olympic and World Championship 400-meter finalist Candice McLeod had to settle for 7th in her 300-meter heat at the Simbini Classic in South Africa on Tuesday. McLeod clocked 38.17 seconds behind Zimbabwean winner Ashley Miller, who returned 36.48 seconds. The overall event was won by Mercy Okech of Kenya in 35.77 seconds. Meanwhile, McLeod, who has run sparingly so far this season, has a season's best of 54.53 seconds for the 400 meters. She was the sole Jamaican competitor at the meet. The 29-year-old McLeod finished 5th in the 400 meters at the Tokyo Olympic Games and 7th at the 2022 and the 2023 World Championships. Christel House, Jamaica, will now have the opportunity to introduce pickleball to its students, as the Pickleball Federation of the Americas and Peace in Pickleball, a non-profit organization, have donated equipment and offered coaching expertise to the tuition-free school.
Director of Social Impact for the Pickleball Federation of the Americas and founder of Peace in Pickleball, Natalie Hughes, says she can already see a clear path for the growth of the sport on the island. Pickleball is a fast-growing, accessible racket sport, combining elements of tennis, badminton and ping pong, played on a small court with paddles and a perforated plastic ball. This initiative places students at the center of the sport's development on campus.
So I've been here for 1 week. Usually I come in and just get the lay of the land, look at what I can do to overcome the barriers to entry. There's a massive amount of court space here. Even though the hurricane was here recently, there's so much potential.
Principal of Christel House, Jamaica, Jason Scott, is grateful for the chance to offer his school another activity, even as it gives the children a chance to develop confidence, leadership skills, and teamwork, both on and off the court.
So introducing a new sport like pickleball is really something that we are very happy about and look forward to really engaging our students in. We're looking forward to the training of our staff and the training of our students, and even participation in whatever competitions may come our way. But more than anything, we're happy for the impact that this can create in generating interest among our staff and students.
Students Malik Brown and Shawnake Brown are also looking forward to playing the new sport.
I feel good about pickleball. First time trying it, and I am proud of myself because I didn't know what to do, and this lady over there showed me what to do.
And I'm really happy to hear that my school is introduced by another sport, and I'm really happy to hear that. And the thing I learned about today is how to pass the ball and how to hold it like a V.
The Sports Development Foundation was the bridge between the giver and the receiver.
Today we were able, along with Natalie Hughes from the Americas Pickleball, to donate equipment for their pickleball program at Christel House. And it's not just about donating equipment. We have also coordinated with the Americas Pickleball to have them do some sessions, coaching sessions, with the coaches at Christel House.
Christel House Jamaica is a non-profit tuition-free school geared at removing the barriers to education and equipping students with the resources required to succeed, from classrooms to life. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.
We take another break. When we come back, we'll give you the recap for Primetime Sports Tuesday.